And welcome, and today we're going to do another video. We're going to be modding this pink G Pro Superlight here. We're also doing it for Voxe, who is a pro Fortnite player. And we're going to do some mods. We're going to be putting kailh in the mains, kailh on the side switches, removing the pre-travel both on the mains and on the side switches. A weight reduction with a stock look. Not as aggressive as normal, so more of a subtle weight reduction. We're also upgrading the encoder to a kailh, and we're also putting a magnetic charger on it as well, just to finish it off. So if you're not sure who Voxe is, this is what he does.
Ça a pas tiré, il a trop de chance. Quoi?
Non.
So we're starting off with doing kailhs. It's having kailh sides, pre and post travel, remove both mains and sides. We're also doing Tiger Ice weight mod, encoder upgrade, magnetic USB, and that should be it for Voxe. No worries, one. You can see like that pre-movement, especially on this side. Hard to show, it's not bad, this one. There's quite a bit of pre-travel normally. And also on the mains, which is generally pretty common on the G Pro. We're just fixing that, so it's basically just an instant press. No messing around. There's a proper teardown if you're interested. But... Right, we'll get into these omrons.
What is the last thing you can remember?
I don't know.
Go on.
Omron and the kailh, there's a difference in sound. Hard to tell. So Omron first. And kailh. Omron. Kailh. So this uses the kailh 8mm encoder, which puts kailh right in. PCB is now kailh and kailh encoder. Beautiful. These are pretty hard to do. Don't recommend doing these. These are very hard. Extremely risky. New side buttons going up. So it looks like. Needs to be a bit tidied up inside, but let's get the idea. A little bit of a weight mod on this one. Just trimmed out some of the excess. Right, just got to drill out a bit of air and then we're done, put it back together, boom. Yeah, pre-travel that one, it's nuts. Like they're going to be sensitive. The last bit is the battery mod. So stock battery, it's about 2 grams difference. You got 240 milliamp and 100 milliamp. 3 to 4 weeks battery life. I get out of these generally, depends what you get. And about 7 days I get out of a normal or modded one. These two bits. standard USB 2. And all you do is you push that into the front. I'll show you once it's built. A little bit of pre. So that was okay, a bit of a bender. This has got quite a bit on the main though left. Look at that. Yeah. This one's going to need tape. So we've now got nice pre-travel on the sides. Well, I mean, as in no pre-travel. Okay, that's in tight. Oh damn, it's lighter than I thought. 50? I even underestimated it. What? Okay, that's pretty light. Little magnet thing. What does it weigh actually? 1.4 grams, so everything I thought it was going to be. You can charge like this. Oh, and the crappy Logitech one. You still game with it if you want. It's not the best cord, but it needs a Logitech one. Slightly curved up as well. Look. And then you can just like ping it off. You don't have to like plug it into the crappy side bits or anything.